I still leave the light on by the window, like you might come back through the storm. There is a cup beside the sink, still empty, but I keep it like it keeps me warm. I deleted all your pictures in the morning, then I found you in the color of the sky. I told my friends I am getting better, but I still break when the streetlights cry. I do not miss the fight, I miss the way you knew how to touch my silence like it had a wound.
If the rain could call you, it would sound just like my heart falling on the rooftops, trying not to fall apart. If the night could hold you, it would hold you where I am. I keep saying I am healing, but I still reach with empty hands. I saw your name inside a song today, in a line that was not even ours. Funny how the smallest kind of memory can turn a second into hours. I do not want the past back like it was. I know some doors are closed for good, but if love does not know where to go, tell me why it still knows where I stood.
I do not miss the pain, I miss the softer truth. That some part of forever almost looked like you. If the rain could call you, it would sound just like my heart falling on the rooftops, trying not to fall apart. If the night could hold you, it would hold you where I am. I keep saying I am healing,
But I still reach with empty hands.
baby, you are happy. Maybe that should be enough. Maybe I was learning how to lose the thing I love. I will not ask the sky to bring you back again, but every time it rains, I hear what we could have been.
If the rain could call you, it would whisper through the dark. Every word I swallowed, every scar that learned your name.
If the night could hold you, it would hold you where I am.
I keep saying I am healing, but I still reach with empty hands.
If the night could call you, would you pick up one last time? Or would you let it ring like I was never on your mind?